There is space available in the vegetable garden. After pulling up the garlic, shallots, onions and some potatoes, already start some new sowing in the month of July. We are now in the second or third series of vegetables sown in the vegetable garden since the year's start. So in the month of July you will be able to sow cutting lettuces, all types of heading lettuces, whether they are butterhead lettuces or Four Seasons, and Batavia lettuces. In Mesclun you often find red chard, which is very decorative in dishes but can easily replace spinach, vegetables that are perennial in the garden, as they sometimes reappear from one year to the next. Chicories, including curly endives, escarole and arugula, should be sown now, as well as the first lamb's lettuce, and also first lamb's lettuce, you will sow them on well-firm soil, the large seeded, full-hearted lamb's lettuce. Now we will move on to root vegetables like radishes, round radishes, long radishes, multicolored radishes, all kinds of radishes, including black radishes and Chinese radishes. You can still sow some carrots that can be consumed both as storage or as early vegetables with the very convenient mini vegetables, as this will allow you to have fresh vegetables in September, October. The golden turnips are sown like radishes, and we will also finish with a vegetable that can still be sown now, which are the crapaudine beets. You appreciate parsley, but yours already has yellow leaves, perhaps due to drought or simply because of the parsley fly. Be aware that in the month of July you sow both simple and curly parsley for large consumption and in large quantities. But know that curly parsley is more resistant to frost. And we will finish with the bean, the green bean. Note that it takes 60 days after sowing. So it is time to do it until the end of July to ensure a September-October harvest. And then know that to successfully sow in the month of July, it is very important to water the bottom of the furrow before placing the seeds.